there's one dangerous man. Solo Sikoa.
The following contest is scheduled for one.
The man who has everybody saying his name. Like it or not.
And from Los Angeles, California, weighing in at 241 pounds, LA Knight.
LA Knight will hand out a beatdown to anybody, any night of the week. It doesn't matter to him. And here comes one of my favorites.
Here comes Jacob Fatu.
One of the scariest competitors in all of WWE.
The crowd on their feet. Jimmy Uso is here.
Prepare for explosive intensity.
And from San Francisco, California, weighing in at 251 pounds, one half of the NXT Tag Team Champion.
As if this match wasn't compelling enough, when you throw in the no disqualification stipulation, it gets even better.
These competitors can use barricades, steel stairs, announce tables, even outside interference. Nothing is off limits here, and they will let their imaginations run wild.
You're right, Corey. This is hardcore all the way, and the WWE Universe can't get enough of it. Paint a picture for me, Corey. Hypothetically, what are some tactics you'd use to win a no DQ match? Well, looking to catch him off guard. And looking at Jey Uso. And a good strong kick out there.
He is too fresh to have been kept down there.
Oh my God, a DDT! Going outside. What's he got planned here?
Agonizing. You could see that each strike drained their opponent's energy. Ooh!
Looking to explore things ringside now.
You establish dominance.
As the fight continues ringside, we may need to relocate soon.
I'm already ahead of you.
And here's Jey Uso into the quick cover. And only a one count.
No harm in seeing if he can finish him off quick there.
And looking at Jacob Fatu.
Big move followed up with a pin attempt. Too soon. No way.
And completely missed the mark.
Gets sent well into the corner. He's placed into a precarious position.
Oh, what do they have planned here? defense from him.
Lifted way up. That'll jam your tailbone.
Oh, man. Oh, ouch. Oh,
And the rolling neck snap. Jimmy laying down the gauntlet for his opponent.
gets lifted into position. Ooh, right to the throat.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now.
And right into the pin.
And those kickouts are only going to get harder. Oh, sent flying. I've seen Saxton thrown out of a few local bars like that before.
Oh, please don't remind me, Corey.
You got to wonder if there's more animosity in this match.
Under the apron.
Taking a flight to nowhere.
Did you see that? Risking it all and taking an offer.
We're going to finish it off. And look, he goes for the cover. A kick out to stay alive.
He's still in the fight, but for how much longer?
What an interception.
Spectacular counter into a dragon screw.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now. Ooh-wee. Oh, man.
Are we about to see?
And looking at Jacob Fatu.
Down by the DDT.
Jacob about to end this fight.
2 count.
Boom! Slam!
With authority.
It's not every day you witness a battle like this one unfold.
Yeah, the WWE Universe clearly realizing just how lucky they are to be watching this match live.
Now bringing the fight back into the ring.
He's quick to get out of the way there.
This is a situation you want to avoid.
She got airline miles for that.
And he evades the attack.
To the gut, sent to the ropes.
Into the pin. 2. And he fights it off.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
He goes for the pin.
Could this be it?
And referee cuts off the count at 1.
No time to waste being shocked. You've got to maintain pressure.
Super kick.
Good night.
He's looking defenseless at this stage.
Yeah, he's absolutely in danger.
Blocks him with a big crossbody.
Bang!
Never saw it coming. This has been an epic encounter.
These fans are sending the decibel level up. Rearing way back.
Here's the cover. A kick out at 2.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
And looking at Jacob Fatu.
Cover, cover, cover.
And he kicks out of the pin at 1.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3. Driven down.